Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are all doing fine and enjoying your learning at home. So, today again we are going to do our English 2 lesson number 2, The Merchant's Purse. Before going into the lesson, I'll just remind you that in our last video we have done the story of the merchant's purse. Today we will be doing the assignments. So, before going into the assignments, I'll just tell you a short summary of the story. In this story, there was a merchant who was rich. One day, while going through the marketplace, he lost his purse, which had 100 gold coins. In the same place, there was an honest old woman. She found that purse and looked into it. She saw that the purse had 100 gold coins. So she was thinking, whose purse is it? Just as she was thinking, she heard the voice of merchant saying, "A reward! I will give a reward to the person who will find my purse." Because the old woman was very honest, she returned the purse to the merchant and she said, "This is your purse, please give me my reward." But the merchant was very greedy. So he opened his purse and counted the coins. He said, "My purse had 200 gold coins. You have already stolen more than the reward. So you just go away. I will not give you any reward at all." The old woman was very sad. She said, "I am poor, but I am honest. I will go to the queen and ask for her help." Then they both went to the queen. The queen was fair and noble. She listened to both the sides of the story and said, "Okay, I trust you both, and so I think that the purse which the woman found is not merchant's purse, because this purse had only 100 gold coins, but the merchant's purse had 200 gold coins. So this purse belonged to this old woman." So the queen handed over the purse to the old woman, and the merchant was sad and had nothing to say, because he knew this was his punishment for being so greedy and dishonest. So I hope every one of you have understood the story well now. And now let's move on to the assignments. Before starting the assignments, please note that all the assignments should be done neatly and clearly in your English 2 notebook. Okay, let's move on. First assignment is difficult words from the lesson. So I'll be reading the difficult words and you can repeat after me as well as write in your notebook. So the first word is merchant, purse, wandering, greedily, stolen, honest, palace, dishonest, punishment, and pieces. So you have to note down these difficult words and learn them by heart for the dictation. Next we have word meanings from the lesson. These are also given in your textbook if you see the bottom of the lesson. The first word meaning is merchant, a person who sells things. Like the merchant here he used to sell something in the marketplace, so he was called a merchant. Next is wandering. Wandering means thinking. When the old woman found the purse, she was thinking, whose purse is it? Third word is stolen. Stolen means stealing somebody's things, that is, taking somebody's things without his or her permission. So if you take somebody's pencil or eraser and the person who is the owner of that pencil or eraser is not aware of that, or you didn't ask that person, then it is called that you have stolen the pencil, and that is a very bad thing. So you should never do this, and I believe you people will never do this. Fourth word is greedily. Greed is also a very bad thing. Greed means wanting more and more. When you have something but you want more and more, it can be food, it can be money, or it can be any other thing. And the last word here is believe. Believe means trust. So the queen believed the stories of both the old woman and the merchant. Now moving on to our next exercise, we have opposite words. Some of these words I have given you in the worksheet also. And one more thing, just a reminder for you that worksheets will be done in A4 size sheets, and keep it in a folder nicely so that you can be evaluated on that. So here we have 5 opposite words: rich, poor, honest, dishonest, found, lost, old, young, go, come. You have to write it as well as learn it. Now let's move on to fill in the blanks. So all the answers you can find in the lesson itself. I have written the answers here, but you try to find it from the lesson also. The merchant lost his purse at the marketplace. The poor old woman found the purse. The purse had 100 gold coins. The queen was very noble. The merchant was a greedy man. And the last exercise is the question answers. So if you know the story well, you can answer the questions yourself. You can write in your own words also if you want. So the first question is, why did the old woman give the purse to the merchant? Answer: the old woman gave the purse to the merchant because she was honest. Next question, what did the old woman want from the merchant? The old woman wanted a reward from the merchant. Question number 3. What kind of a man was the merchant? The merchant was a greedy man. Question 4. What happened to the merchant at the end of the story? The merchant lost his purse due to his greediness. And the last question is, what is the moral of the story? That means what you have learned from this story. So the moral of the story is, we should not be greedy and dishonest. So these are the assignments you have to do in your English 2 notebook. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me during the live session. Till then, keep on learning, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Have a good day.